Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Then take a look at this 2018 Chevy Malibu LS in Nightfall Gray. With projector headlamps, brake assist, 16-inch aluminum wheels, shark fin antenna, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, remote start system, split folding rear seats, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5407A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.